Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Ipsy Unbagging for the month of May 2018, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So if you guys want to see what's inside this month's glam bag, then keep on watching. Already off the back, I want to talk about the theme for this month's glam bag, which seems to be very much in the spirit of traveling, going, jet setting, so to speak. With Ryan and mine's trip going to Germany and Amsterdam at the end of June, it's just really getting me so excited in terms of, going and jet setting and like going and seeing the world. So it has the kind of very pretty peachy color for spring and summer, and then on the front side it has the passport stamps, which I think is really cute. And in terms of like the size of this month's bag, it still seems pretty big, and I kind of like the half shell zipper. The first item pulling out inside our Ipsy Glam Bag this month is from Briogeo, and this is the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I'm almost positive I've tested this out in the past. I know I definitely have tested something out with the Rosarco Milk in it from Briogeo. I think there's two products that I've recently tested out. So I'll have to do some research, and if I have tested this exact one, I will link it down below. We already know I'm a huge fan of Briogeo hair products, and this is just supposed to be a leave-in conditioning spray, which I try to implement into my routine as much as possible because my hair is pretty dry, and especially with the summer coming up, I really don't love putting a ton of heat on my hair, so therefore I'm going to opt for more things to kind of air dry my hair. With air drying, my hair turns into frizziness, and hopefully this can help combat that. Again, I'm almost positive I've tested this before, but if not, it's always fun to test products from companies that you already love. So yeah, that's already a good start. So we have here a face mask from Tonymoly, and this is the Sebum Control Black Color Clay Painting Therapy Pack Mask. Whew. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it comes in a little painting tube, which is really cute. And I have to say that Tonymoly really does put so much emphasis on their packaging, and it's really cute. I feel like as it falls in my shirt, it's supposed to be just a clay mask, so to speak. Yeah, and then you just wash it off. So interesting to see. Sebum Control is supposed to help with oiliness, so maybe that'll kind of help pull some of that excess oil from my skin, which would help me because that's one of my problem areas. But yeah, we'll have to test it out and see. I love how cute the little aesthetics of this packaging is. We all know I'm a big stickler for packaging too, so that's adorable. Next, inside our glam bag, we have something from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is the Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. And it seems like recently setting and finishing powders have been abundant in my beauty subscriptions. I am somebody who doesn't normally use a lot of setting powders, only because I don't love putting excess things on my face. Not that I think it clogs my pores, but it's an extra step that I don't really have time for. I do have the Amazonian BB cream, I think, which might kind of coincide with it. It's good to kind of switch up your routine. I had been using the IT Cosmetics finishing powder that I got last month in one of my subscriptions. I think it was Ipsy. I don't even remember. But I really wasn't using it because I don't love setting powders, as I've mentioned. But yeah, I'm down to try this out. It looks like it's just a pretty basic white, so it shouldn't leave too much of discoloration. And I'm sure once you put it on, I don't think there might be that much kickback when it comes to flash photography. But we'll have to try this out. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. If we open this guy up here, it looks like it kind of has that protective little case on it. So the whole size doesn't look too big. It looks like it's only 2, so hopefully not a ton of product is going to be wasted with this, which is something important for me when it comes to setting powders, because I can't tell you how many times that I will open the top of something out and go to pour some in, and then it just spills everywhere, and I'm wasting more product rather than using products. So that's kind of a big thing when it comes to packaging for me. So next, inside our glam bag, we have something from Elizabeth Mott. And this is Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow in the shade colored Mermaid Teal. And yep, that's the color of it. Immediately noticing that their pant size has increased significantly. I have received a pop eyeshadow from Elizabeth Mott a while back, but within terms of running this blog. And I remember that the pant size was tiny, like it was little, but this is a huge pant size, and that's already a good start. However, this color I want to talk about, because I am not somebody who loves blue. It's just common fact. Like for me, I'm not going to opt to wear this a lot, if ever. I keep things very minimal. I'm very basic when it comes to my eye looks. I like a lot of taupes, neutrals, a little bit more peachy colors. Like blues like this are terrifying to me because like, look at that, that's scary. I will go ahead and give a finger swatch right back here. And, oh, but it is really pretty. So that's what it looks like on the hand. And I have to say, it's not as daunting as it looks, but I'm still not gonna find myself grabbing this on an everyday basis. Maybe it's the fact that my beauty confidence isn't there where like I would run to grab a color like this and rock it on an everyday Tuesday. I'm just somebody who I just can't get behind building really fun colors like that because I am a pretty boring person. But that color itself is insanely gorgeous and I definitely don't hate it. I probably would have rather have a much more neutral shade. I've never been disappointed with a product of theirs, and who knows, maybe I will step out of my comfort zone and try to rock that look somehow, some way. But on a first impression, I'm more apprehensive to use that color rather than to go ahead and dive right on it. So I love it, but I'm also super scared of it. The last item inside our glam bag we have is a nail polish from Adesse, New York, and we'll go ahead and open this product up. And, ooh, so this is the color, oh, Cabana Boy, which is such a cute spin on words. And this is the color, it's kind of a very almost lilac-y blue periwinkle color. I normally don't opt for lighter colors and polishes just because for me my nails are very brittle. However, they have been getting stronger since I've been trying not to bite them or trying not to like, you know, peel or pick at them as much, and I've been using a cuticle oil nightly and my nails definitely do feel stronger. So maybe I won't have as many problems as I did in the past because my nails are getting a little bit tougher. But yeah, I've tested Adesse before. Already a huge fan. I have a color very similar to this. I think like the two colors I have from Adesse, if they had a baby, this would be the color that it is, which is funny. I do remember looking at the Ipsy website and seeing that there would have been another shade, and I think it was called Bellini, which was a very pretty nude peach color. I would have much rather to have that one because I mean, I love colors like this, but I probably wouldn't opt to wear it. God, trying to grow them out has been one of the toughest things I've ever done. Like, I trained my hair to not have a center part, but like that was a hell of a lot easier than trying to train your nails to like grow and to shape and to like build them up so they're not weak, brittle little things. Like, it's the hardest thing ever to try to like not only not bite your nails, because I'm a habitual nail biter. And like I pick up my nails, like if I'm ever stressed, nervous, whatever, it's the first thing I go for is I just pick my nails apart. And like my cuticles were growing out and like I've just been trying really hard to keep them like long. And this is about as long as I've gotten them. And like granted, I shape them down at least once a week, and my long-term goal is to grow them out so when I go to Germany I can get a fresh coat of shellac put on so I won't have to worry about it, because Ming killed my nails the last time I got shellac put on, and I really just want to grow my own natural nail out as long as I can to shape them so I can have a nice fresh set of shellac when I go away and I won't have to worry about it. But yeah, well, that was everything that was inside my glam bag this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I get new glam bags. Also be sure to get notified whenever I do post new videos. If that means like hitting the bell or signing up or whatever, so that way you guys will always see whenever I post new unbaggings, subscriptions, hauls, whatever the hell we do on this channel. I don't even know anymore. I feel like it's been a solid minute since I've actually sat down and filmed anything. Like, I've been pumping content out, but it's just like to sit in front of my camera phone and like talk to you guys. It's been a minute. Like, so much has been going on, but we'll save that for like a favorites or for my gold digger or for whatever. But yeah, I will also be sure to do a full blog review for you guys over at the blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, and I'll be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So with that said, on a first impression, I think that this month's bag, it could have been better, honestly. I think that the eyeshadow is kind of intimidating for me, therefore I'm a little apprehensive using it. I think the nail polish, if I didn't see what the other option could have been, I probably wouldn't have cared. 10 testing out that leave-in conditioner again, sure. And then the face masks. Who doesn't love a good face mask? Especially one in that adorable paint tube packaging. I would give this month's box maybe a B-. There's not products in here that I'm like super elated about. I mean, sure, I'll be excited to test them, but like that eyeshadow is just so scary to me. I don't like blues. But like apparently they think because you have blue eyeballs, like that's gonna look good on you. And I don't really know about that. But yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.